God say, this is Utukwe. This Utukwe is the heart of Uzarwe. And Imoto Utukwe, they are powerful. In 2007, they supported me when I contested for governorship. In 2012, they supported me, they voted for me. And I believe that the special grace of God, this coming election 2023, they have assured me they will vote for me. And therefore, because this is Utukwe, this is a very special market. This is where the boy who Dr. Wike said, who is your father? This is where I come from. So if people can say, which village do you come from? I will answer. I will say Ketu, Uzarwe. Or when they say, who is your father? I say, give me answer. Because answer. Because if they keep out of say, when they say, who is your father? I say, the one I used to call my father. Don't call me your father. I don't call you. Call your father. The question they ask you, answer it. But I don't remind our people because recently I saw a social media posting where the deputy governor was saying that he don't need to call his said, how can a rabbit say he introduced a lion? Okay, how? Me, this guy, the people of Utukwe, I have to remind them, and they reminded me too, that in 2003, before I came into politics, Philip contested under AMPP. He lost. He was of assembly. Before the election, he contested for. He went to PDP. He contested. He lost. Then in 2007, when I came in, I pulled him on my back, and I took him round Constituency 2, which is made up of Uzarwe and EPA. That is how he won his first election. Before then, he failed twice. After that one, opened his mouth. After going through the road that constructed to Obaseki, and he was saying, he brought me to politics. How can a tortoise go to town and say he's the one who taught a lion how to run? Me that before I became governor, I was already a household name in Nigeria. Without state power, people of Obaseki did a broadcast and said Oshiomole was free as if he's an alternative president. Because when I tell people to stay at home, they stay. Then Philip, that I came to beg the two people that please forgive him. And it was at the Zama Primary School I begged them, you cannot say you want me as governor, but you know what I saw. In that world, anytime he's broke, let me repeat, anytime Philip is broke, he needs money, he will try to create an environment so that he believes if he abused me, then the governor will say, okay, come and take. Because he thought people have forgotten how he threatened to live. Because without crisis, Philip is not relevant.
Yes.
Whatever anybody wants to say, have you heard Governor Obaseki abusing me over the past 2 years after the election? Elections are over. Whether I agree with Obaseki or not, elections are over. The last time he spoke was at Auchi Catholic School, that is Governor Obaseki. And he said, I had nothing against Oshiomole, because that our politics is different. Now he has moved on. Governorship election is not to you, so I'm not campaigning for governorship. I can never be governor again. But Philip believes that to retain attention, he must abuse me. You think that the governor is a fool? The governor who told me that this was a bad boy. But I told him, don't worry, he will reform him. Now, if I who brought him, he can do what he's doing. Is this the Obaseki made of the law that he will respect? He's just a foolish boy. Foolish boy. That is why I come home, because this is our home. This now we used to put. Now we used to put this. I'm not going to talk about it in Benin. I'm not going to talk about it in Ghana. Here I go talk. Because I'm here. Right here, I want to put. I take as our people, the traders. I say, when I be governor, now we build this one. They put that here, Philip project. I say, okay, how come you be House of Assembly, you build this one? Now you be deputy governor, which one you don't do? So you get primary school, you get write letter. You can't graduate, you don't fit write letter. What has happened? And the women remind me, this road, I did it. To Ogeneni, from here to India, I did it. From Ogeneni to the market, I did it. Where we are studying here, I did it. That one, I did it. That one, I did it. To Obaseki, I did it. To India, I did it. To other government, I did it. To Oshi, I did it. To Oyo, I did it. We did much. Everywhere, I did road. I did borehole. I did borehole there. Schools. But they stop attending it. Even the road leading to Philip's house, I did it. I did it. Wait, let me say this for the first time. When he was planning to build a house, I made it design for him. I made it that Philip, now that I'm bringing you up, you are growing up, you're going to have children, they will grow up. You need to have two living rooms, so that when you are doing your politics, your wife and family will not be interfering. At the level of the design, I author it where you do this house. I have no regret, and I've assured the people of Uzairwe and Utukwe, and I raise my hand before God that should God empower me again to have state authority, I will still use it to uplift people from this community. Remember, even in the Bible, the sin committed by no. The word that betrayed Jesus Christ. Judas. Jesus had 12 disciples. Judas was one of them. Before Judas betrayed Jesus, Jesus told them, one of you will betray me before they break. But remember, Jesus did not place a curse on his followers because one Judas betrayed him. He still placed the remaining one. And that is why I am telling the people of Uzairwe and Otukwe and Ojeti that regardless of the lies and untruth and misbehavior that Philip is doing, it will not change my character. I will remain God-fearing. I will remain people loving. And I will dedicate and I dedicated the rest of my life to uplift the quality of life of our people.
God bless you.
All over Nigeria. And in particular, Edo State, and in this case, Edo North, and today, Utukwe, in Zaire. The heart of this market never changed. It's not a second-day market. It's a daily market. It was in existence before I was born. And it will be here after me and Philip don't go. So as I will answer God what I did, he will answer God what he did. And I asked our people in our language, I said, is there any one person who will say, as governor of Edo State, I use my power to send him to jail? No! But Philip is sending his own people to prison. If you have argument with him, we ask police to arrest. Even if you did nothing, they will detain you and later release. There are people who carry bullet wounds in this community. In Afana, children were shot on the orders of Philip because they were going there to campaign. They destroy people's billboards. So I said, in less than 2 years, he will not be governor. But the scars of those people who were shot, who were wounded, and there are people who have been killed here and they connive and the cases are not investigated. I'm saying to him, crime does not expire. His immunity is not forever. After office, those criminal cases will be investigated. Those who kill, who suck human blood, even God doesn't forgive them. And he will not be forgiven. So I want one of his hatchet men, called Holy Man, who he uses to go and attack and shoot, that they should warn him. If they kill people, what you plant, you reap. But I'm preaching to our people, election is not war. Election is not war, it's about choice. It's competition. I have spoken to my record. Let those contesting against me speak to their own record. I told them for the road I built. Let them speak to the road they have built. I talk about the schools I constructed. Let them speak to the schools they constructed. Election is by ballot paper, not by bullet. And the one coming will be by ballot paper. Amen. There will be no rigging. Amen. All that one they are planning, they will call disruption. There will be no disruption. Amen. There will be a celebration of Christmas. And Salah. Where you thank God that those who thought they have power, today you will teach them a lesson. That is what is coming. Now, Father, they are asking, which of the factions are they going to vote for? Because how did they get that was because after the day of my primaries, and then he left to go and join them. Where is he going to go? Where is he going to go? After all, check his history. He was retired as a major. Why did he get up to a lieutenant colonel, or a colonel, or a brigadier, or a general? I left the movement as president of Nigeria Labour Congress. I got to the top. So I told our people to be rest assured, and I said so before God, that all I owe my people is payback. God has been merciful to me, and every opportunity He gives me, I must use it to bring smile to the faces of our people. I will not give up on my people. I will not give up on my country. Challenges will come. They will be fought and converted to opportunity. The blind will be made to see, and the deaf will be made to hear. And We will lead from the front. We will not lead from the rear.
Oh yes.
I did it before. By the special grace of God, I will do it again. I will do it even better. And I told them, with state power, I did what I did in this land. With federal power, they only need to imagine. God bless Utukwe people. God bless Utukwe women. Your market will prosper. Your children will prosper. Jetu will prosper. Uzare will prosper. After my life will prosper. Edo State will prosper. The Federal Republic of Nigeria, Oda Asiwaju will prosper. Nothing to say. People almost gave up. But life is going to come back. That's all. And we will do more for the people. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
The Messiah of Adonai. Lord, Imarato, when I win, I will know. Now it make us know, say, money is there for pockets. Whether they use for the poor ones. Hello? Today, we the Utukwe market women, we the disciple, we decide, say, we go follow till the end. When we say we go follow, we know what made they give us form again. We don't feel form, we don't tire. We don't use 200 naira. We don't use 1,000. We don't use 1,007. We don't use 7,000. They feel form. Say loan, it dey come. That one we know what time again. We know say we to show Baba everything. We Utukwe women, some of us we get graduates. We get graduates where they dey. Our graduates they know they work. Our boys are guests they dey. We get some where they want enroll and we no fit enroll them because of the struggle where dey Nigeria. We know say as Osho Baba don't come back again. Osho Baba. We don't show Baba. We don't show Baba. We don't see money. They do our small business. We know say we don't show Baba. Our children they go smart. We know say we don't show Baba food. You don't go try for our.